Hello, you're welcome to the Spotlight. Today we are going to have a deep insight in some simple life hacks that we can include in our everyday activity. So without wasting my time, let's take a look in these 20 simple life hacks. Do you really want to charge your phone faster? Then do this. Put your phone on airplane mode, then insert your charger. It will charge your phone faster than normal. Do you know that any working cell phone, regardless of it in service or not, can call the police, the ambulance, and the fire service in terms of emergency? If you don't know, now you know it. Storing a battery in a freezer for some time can double the lifespan of it. So if you want to prolong the battery, then do this. Hey, let's play a simple math trick here. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, just double the Celsius number and add 28 to it. Simple, you don't need a calculator to do this. When your body is itching you or you get an insect bite, just apply deodorant at affected part to stop the itching. Put a sticker with a fake PIN number on your debit card so that in case you lose it and someone tries it 3 times, the machine will eat the card. Do you know that it feels so devastating to see a lot of ants in your room? Don't worry, here is a simple tip for you. Do not use chemical to kill ants. Instead, get a spray bottle and fill it with water and about 25% of salt. Shake it well, and that will be the end of them. Using a laptop whilst it's charging can damage the battery life. Instead, remove the battery and connect to a charger to prolong the battery life. Are you trying to quit smoking? Lick a little salt with the tip of your tongue whenever you feel the urge to smoke. This is said to break the habit within a man, and as time goes on, you will recover from it. Lick your wrist and let it dry, then smell it. This is how your breath smells like to others. Keep that in mind. This tip is specifically for the motorist. Always check your helmet before you get to the highway to avoid some insect-like spider attacks to prevent accidents. Sleeping on your right hand can make you sleep faster and better than sleeping on your left hand. If you like, try it. If you are being chased by bees, get something to cover your head and stand stationary because bees can't see you when you're not moving, so take that in mind. If you're having a tough or bad day, stop whatever you're doing and go and sleep. In fact, it's the only activity that can help you at that circumstance. If you accidentally hit the close tab, Ctrl plus Shift plus T will reopen it. Playing Tetris every day can increase your brain power by 150%. To remove gum from hair, dip your hair in a bowl of Coke, leave it for some time, the gum will wipe off itself. Eating orange before workout does not only keep your body hydrated, but it also prevents your muscle from getting sores. If you suspect someone is giving you a wrong phone number, read it back to them incorrectly. If they correct you, it is legit. If they don't, it is fake. Never sleep naked. If there is some kind of emergency, it might be too late to put something on. These are the 20 simple life hacks that everyone can do everywhere. Please keep in mind that don't just watch the video, also apply it in your daily activity. And please, before you leave, do these 3 simple things. Just like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. It is the spotlight.